beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will just check out the speed of our website. So the thing is that speed optimization is very important, and we already have discussed and enabled the caches and compress the images, CSS, etc. But in this video we will just take a quick overview of that thing, because this is the optimization section. So we will just discuss some important things. So if we will go to certain website like this one website, speed test website, I want to test our website domain, and then from anywhere, and this is important. So we will just check it from incern, for example. Then if we go to the another browser, and in this browser we can just go here, and sorry, where is the okay, that the speed text thing. So let's go to this section. I will just copy this link, paste this link over here. Okay, so now we will have the speed test, and then we will just select the domain, copy, we will just click on start text, and then we will just go here, we will just click paste it, and we will just check for another server center start test, and it will take some time. Please wait while your test is running on. And incern, and you can definitely do this with your own website, and then we will get the relevant results. So yeah, that's done, and now you can see that we have mobile and the desktop thing. And for desktop you can see that bandwidth speed is this much, and screen size, with this screen size we have tested our website on the Chrome, and he for the mobile he just tried for normal Amazon Kindle Fire and with the native speed. So let's see what are the results. So here you can see that general information for HD result we have 8 seconds, although its page speed score is 98, because our page size is quite big, not very big, but it's quite big. So as compared to the size, he just test out the speed, and then you can see that for incern speed is like this. And if we go to 9 milliseconds, and here are seconds. Okay, so navigation timing, okay, so that is fine, navigation timing is fine, and you can actually check out the whole details over here, and he will give you all the details related to your website. Now for the second one, if we check from the other server, you can see that 8.3 there as well, and 99% 99 scores out of 100 we have got for the speed, and that is because we are testing for the full HD, and also for the desktop. Okay, so for example, if we have a laptop and we are using for example 1280 into 800, then we will get a little different results. If we add and then start again, then we will got definitely the different result maybe. But anyhow, you can see that by these tools you can test out the speed, and I found GT matrix very accurate. So this speed test is very accurate as compared to others. There are a lot of speed tests, but Google speed test and this test is quite accurate. So here we will get actually the original result for our website, and let's see what speed we will have for our website. Okay, you can see now we have actually the A grade, O grade, and 323 milliseconds. It means that around in between 4 seconds. So that is very nice, and this is the accurate result, okay, from the GT matrix. And always use this tool for your speed test results as well. So speed test, speed optimization is also very important for overall optimization of the website and SEO. So if you have some problems in image optimization or CSS or cache, you can enable the cache, you can optimize the CSS files, JavaScript files, and minify these JavaScript and CSS files, and compress the images, and by these methods you can actually improve your website. We already have discussed this thing in older chapters, so I will not go into detail. I'm just taking a quick overview of this, and that is a very important step for optimizing the website. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.